What if I brought back giving you deja vu, but Jesus, nature, music, media edition? Giving you deja vu in the woods, giving you deja vu on set, giving you deja vu at church, giving you deja vu working. All things new deja vu. What say ye?
From nobody, Jesus turned me to somebody. He lay my body and give me long life. From nobody, Jesus turned me to somebody. He lay my body and give me long life. Emi Minkigbe, your love is so great. I can't explain your love and kindness. Emi Minki.
So it's golden hour, and you guys can tell that by how my face is glowing. And I'm going to show you guys. The sun is out and it's literally setting because it's 8:38 right now, and the sun is supposed to set at 9 p.m. I love golden hours so much. So the sun is out, as you can see. There's people out playing at this park by my place. I love coming here because it's so safe, it's comfortable. I always walk the trail that is behind me, and they have a waterfall part that I want to explore a little bit more. I can never find the waterfall, but I want somebody to go with me so we can find the waterfall together. My friends, y'all know y'all are. Come with me, please. But yeah, this has just been my life. Trails, me, media, music, and Jesus. That's me.
Your love is so great, I can't explain your love and kindness. You do me well, you do me well, oh Lord, I am here to celebrate you. Yeah, you do me well, you do me well, oh Lord, I am here to say thank you. Yeah, that kind of love me never see. Jesus gave me the victory. Put on my head crown of glory. I say change my life story. It's like a miracle. This is a wonderful day. Can't forget your message. You shall on me, my daddy. Miracle, miracle.
Today we're vlogging in nature with Dage. This is a part of the series, and today we're downtown at the Detroit Riverwalk. So today's task, project, assignment, goal, aim was to practice photography, come out, walk. I have my journal with me. I'm about to sit on a rock or something and do some stuff. But today is just to find the beauty, the mundane things, and see what we capture and what we can come up with out of that concept.
Victory unlimited, that's the vibe. Emi Minkigbe, your love is so great, I can't explain your love and kindness. You do me well, you do me well, oh Lord, I am here to celebrate you. Yeah, you do me well, you do me well, oh Lord, I am here to say thank you. From nobody, Jesus turned me to somebody. He lay my body.
Okay, so I've been sitting here doing this journal. I'm about to go though. I'm out here for a baby hour, so it's getting a bit windy. And it don't look like it's about to rain, but I'm gonna head out. I've been out here long enough. I've been chilling. chilling, just enjoying nature, enjoying the world. Because the wind is picking up a bit. I'm kind of getting tired of being out here, so I'm about to head back home. Sun is crazy this way. It's crazy this way. He's over there doing yoga. I didn't know the people did yoga out here. They is doing yoga. I'm supposed to be gone. I didn't went exploring. The people are doing yoga. Y'all better yoga. Y'all better yoga and go ahead. Y'all better go ahead and do the yoga. Y'all better go ahead. As y'all can see, I'm back in my car. I'm back in the car. My nature walk was real fun, real cute today. This time we was out in the open in public. We was at the river walk, and you guys saw I got to take some really dope pictures. Spend some time with the Lord, just a little bit of time with the Lord. Walk, meet new people. I met one dope girl. She's an artist. Her artwork was really dope. I love meeting fellow creatives. It's hot, and this water is hot. So yeah, I'm about to go. Today has been a really productive day. We worked, we went on a walk, we took pictures, we found the beauty in the most mundane things. And I'm going to see if I could come up with like some sort of thing with this, right? So kind of make it a lesson, and not really a lesson, but kind of find some type of revelation, if you will, with the pictures that I took, and finding the beauty in the mundane. Is it mundane or mundane? I don't know. Either way it goes, we find the beauty in the small things and the simple things and the basic things, and we gonna rock with it. I'm about to head out and drive. Yeah, it's hot. I'm not gonna drive with this camera on because that's not safe, and I'm downtown in Detroit. And I got a message saying that I can still do my thing with what somebody asked me to do. So crank that song. Now why me?
For so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to see like the top down. Oh, let's put some more away, live right now. So it's not wasting another day. Come to find out to season. Oh, let's take a ride through the same like the top down. Yeah, almost lost my mind a couple times.
Okay guys, hey, good morning, good afternoon. We are at our park, at our trail for today. We are at the Lakeview Trail. And before coming here, I had to make a stop And I had to get some off bug spray. Cause the way, y'all see, the way them bugs ate me up the other weeks at the park. No ma'am. So we're gonna spray this on ourselves and hope that we don't get bit up. Like, I don't know bug. I'm also gonna take it with me and spray it while I'm out. Well, spray it while I'm out there. I have them hiking close today, so I'm really excited. So let's get into it. I told y'all when I get out here, I'm spraying myself down. No bug formed against me shall be able to prosper. Jesus is King. Jesus is Lord. And that's just what you gotta know. I'm gonna find something to put my camera up on.
To what I used to know, but please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going back.
Welcome to a day in nature with Dage. Come along with me for this awesome journey outside. So today on our nature trail walk, we are going to be intentional. We are going to be wise. We're going to be smart. And we are going to be with Jesus. We're going to be led with Jesus. So on this walk, I pray that I'm safe. I pray the Lord guides me. And I pray that I do all things well. I brought some books to read. I brought some things to entertain myself. And I'm just going to enjoy life out here. And y'all gonna come along with me. You guys are gonna come along with me on this new journey and experience with nature. Let me know how y'all are enjoying it. I want to be authentic. I want to be real. And I want to be free on this channel. And I want it to be all about me and what I love in this space, season, and time, and journey of my life. So let's get it. So I found a bench to sit on. I think I'm just gonna relax, read, write, and pray here. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna chill out here. It feels safe, feel at peace. Nobody will come and interrupt me. I'm with Jesus, the animals, nature, so I feel alright. So this is where I am. This is what I'm about to do. So yeah. I see, like, while I'm sitting here, I have to be careful because this is kind of steep. I see why I'm sitting here with this little phone, and I want to show you guys what it is. Like, it's an actual phone. Oh my gosh, wait. No, wait. Guys, I thought this was a safety thing, but here's what it is. This phone is for everyone who has lost a loved one. The phone is an outlet for those who have a message they wish to share with their lost friends and family. It is a phone for memories and saying goodbyes you never got to say. The telephone of who? That's so beautiful. That's so perfect. And I think I found my aim, my intention. my reason for being here. So yeah, this is taking another turn, so I'm gonna get off. But this is reality. A day in nature with Dage. Welcome to a day in nature with Dage. Okay, recognize your privilege. Weakness is a privilege. Being pretty is a privilege. Whiteness is a privilege. Being pretty is a privilege. Being from a country that is wartime is a privilege. Being born white means to be treated better than a white person.
Don't understand, but trust is what I can do. Cause he made me new, and he paid me too. Things I used to do that I shouldn't do. All of them he took. Now I lift my eyes to the sky like it's 4th of July. So I'm good, even live my life for the Adonai. Yeah. I'm good, 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 I'm good. I still see my life, I'm going through my soul source. God has made me perfect. I'm a picture of His presence. It's true. It's true.
That's a really good read. The 4-year-old you. Depleted self-esteem can get in the way of your goals. Anytime you find yourself in an environment that dilutes your self-esteem, picture 4-year-old you and try your best to be her hero. When you're about to tell yourself that you're ugly and not even good enough, visualize yourself saying all those things to your 4-year-old you. How does it feel to be verbally abusive to a 4-year-old? How does it feel to be that 4-year-old being verbally abused by the one person she needs the most, and that's herself? The only difference between 4-year-old you and current you is time. You're still the same fragile human being who wants to be loved. You're still the same fragile human being who wants to be told, wow, you're so amazing, well done. You're still the same fragile human being who simply wants to be held. Imagine a little 4-year-old you taking ages creating a really amazing gift for someone really special to you, only to be ignored presented. I bet grown up you still goes through that, don't you? This is the same as current you going out of your way to share yourself with some people who don't want to make room for you. You reshape yourself for them, but it's never enough. You repeat your jokes, but they never laugh. You reduce your voice so you don't complain too much. By the time you realize you're doing all this, they've probably already ditched you for someone who interests them more. Even if you don't think current you is deserving of love, do it for 4-year-old you. So good. Do it for the 4-year-old in you, y'all. A gem in this book, it says, y'all heard me read it. Do it for the 4-year-old in you. I love this book so much. Thank you, sister. Thank you, Ashley, for giving me this book to read, to reflect on, to get gems from, to meditate upon. It's so good. I have read all of this today, and it has had me sobbing. It has had me in my feelings. It has made me reflect. It has made me just really appreciate me for me in this time that I'm in. So oh my gosh, isn't that such a beautiful lighting? I'm out here right now. I'm currently just reading some of Matthew. My mentor sent me this scripture, and I just wanted to read it and reflect upon it. Yeah, I really don't know where this trail goes, but I want to finish reading this passage and pray and see what the Lord is trying to tell me. I'm keep crossing this tree stump, and the scent is so strong. Like, I can literally smell old wood, like old, I don't know. It's really strong, but I want to keep walking. My camera's about to die, but I made it to the end of the trail. I'm about to go to a new one. I'm gonna record that on my phone. But this was a blast. I had so much fun alone with me.